check it, yeah. Yo, check it, yo, I know you reap what you sow, but tell me where you go when you feeling this low. It's like a sideshow, the way we go to and fro. Now that's whoa, but I'm trying to change the status quo. Although I gotta find a brawn that I can carry on. That's word born, I'm an orphan, not a vagabond. Will I be wrong if I'm wrong? Without a trace. The only thing that keeps me safe is my daughter's face. No time to waste, yo, I gotta win this paper chase. Now that's deep, so deep that I'm half asleep. I can't think, can't breathe, can't even speak. Sometimes the impossible's possible to reach. Sometimes you gotta keep on fighting till you find your niche. I'm like a wild rabid dog that is off his leash. I'm like Lestat the vampire with the sharpest teeth. I'm no lie, orphanage, we got the darkest beats. Come on.
If you wanna make it happen,
Get up.
and do your thing. Ain't nothing stopping you. Do what you do. Get up and do your thing. Just be honest with yourself.
Get up.
And do your thing. Decide, come on and try.
Check it, yeah, I got them suicidal flows, them sick, quick-witted rhymes that'll leave you froze. Yeah, I'm chose, but we all chose for different roles, different lives, different highs, plus different lows. Other cats, they running around in the empress clothes. They get exposed when they come around the realest cats. Real recognize real, I hope you're feeling that. Your beats don't clap, plus your rap straight whack. Can't sing, yo, can't do a thing, black. You're faking the funk, yo, how you get a contract? It must have been a junior A&R who signed that. And now his job's on the line, looking at the sack. And now he's sniffing around my orphanage with vocal dads. Talking Pro Tools, Pro Logic, all that. SLRs, TDMs in different formats. We don't need nobody, best you know that. So hold that.
If you wanna make it happen,
Get up.
and do your
Come on.
thing. Ain't nothing
On my feet.
stopping you. Do
Yeah.
what you do. Get up
Listen.
and do your thing. Just be honest
They
with
say,
yourself.
when it rains, it pours.
Get up and do your
For every
thing.
stormy night,
Decide,
there's
come
an
on
even
and
brighter
try.
day after that.
Get up
So,
and do
Now don't you wish that you could fly away? Find a way that you could pick up and just get away.
Yeah.
Switch up the game plan, find a better way from all the stress and drama that be happening every day. But anyway, to win the title or to fight away, it's kinda vital that you don't waste your life away. I run with pace, cause for real I hate the either way. It's never too late, why wait till you're old and gray? And by the way, do the ends justify the means? The future belongs to those who believe in dreams. I wanna scream it out loud, slide for moonbeams. I wanna dance in the clouds, watch the stars gleam. It seems to me that the youth is wasted on the young, and that we never realize it till our time's done. So come fly with me like life has just begun. Escape from the pain and let's touch the sun. Yeah.
ride with
If you wanna
Yeah.
make it happen,
yeah.
get up and do your
Okay.
thing. Ain't nothing
Orphanage in the
stopping
house.
you. Do what you do.
DK's in the house,
Do
baby.
your thing. Honest with yourself. Get up and do your thing. Decide, come on and try. Get up
Come
and
on,
do your
let's go.
thing. If you wanna make it happen, get up and do your thing. Ain't nothing stopping you. Do what you do. Get up and do your thing. Be honest with yourself. Get up and do your thing. Decide, come on and try. Get up and do your thing. Get up, get up.